Network Entertainment.
Welcome to Lecheng Pag-ibig To.
New episode every Wednesday.
Happy New Year!
Woohoo! Happy New Year! Happy 2025!
Diba, New Year, same me? Tama ba yun?
New Year, new me.
New Year, new me ba?
Diba, ganun na, same me na ba uso ngayon?
Oh my God.
Pero sa bagay, si Sam YG naman po dito, sobrang hectic pa rin ang schedule. Sabi ko nga kanina, off-air, lahat kami kumalma na, ikaw na lang ang hindi. So, Papi, babatiin kita. Happy New
Bumabagyo pa
Year,
rin. Happy New Year
Mga
naman.
siguro 15 minutes kaming delay dahil ang dami mong kausap.
Oh my God. Ne.
But we're so happy for you
No,
because,
but-
hello, 200,000 per event?
Hindi, wow, wait lang. I just want to congratulate Chacha kasi
Bakit na naman?
na-resign ang Pod Network deal with Chacha. 3 million, I saw it earlier, no? With Pod Network.
Oh, well.
Ina, Philip, thank you everyone.
So kung sa akin, 3 million for the year, 4.5 sa'yo.
Wow,
Kasi mas
hindi.
mataas ang rate mo sa akin.
Eto na nga.
Oh, sige, eto na nga.
Ang ganda ng bitaw natin dito.
Bakit?
Because number one, we're gonna have a new studio again.
Yes, we're here actually sa bago nating studio. Although hindi pa ito yung permanent studio natin, ginagawa pa siya. But we're so happy na kasama pa rin natin ang Pod Network for 2025. At kasama pa rin natin yung mga listeners natin last year. Can I just say hello?
Exactly. Go.
To some of them na lagi nagko-comment. Nakikita namin kayo ni Sam, si Beej. Ito yung mga nag-comment from our last episode. Si
BJ.
Beej.
Beej.
Oo,
Beej.
Beej. Ange Comsty.
Si Ange.
Bakit niyo binabaligtad yung mga pangalan
Alam mo,
niyo?
napakagaling na artist niyan, si Ange Comsty.
Kilala mo siya?
Hindi, nag-message siya sa
Ikaw talaga.
I try to reply to people on Instagram. Alam niyo yan. I try to
ito pa.
reply
Si
to,
Doromy. Ito naman yung mga tao on Spotify
Ay, hindi
mismo.
tao yung iba.
Hindi, no, I mean, these are the people from Spotify.
Follower kang bots.
Batiin mo rin yung mga nasa
ito.
IG. Ito si Joseph3302, Von Quiazon, Billy Say, Mel B, Marisa Ismael, Nielsen Chanko, and to everyone listening to our podcast, hello sa inyong lahat. We are so back.
Grabe. A lot of things I want to discuss. First and foremost, we were gone for quite a while. We hope everybody had a nice holiday season.
Talaga? Na-feel mo yung holiday?
Hindi
sa dami
masyado.
ng work mo?
Hindi masyado.
Pero sanay ka na eh. Kasi you've been doing this for how many years na rin? Di ba
Correct.
yung hostings nasa December hanggang
Yeah.
January, right?
Yeah, dire-diretso. But I mean, of course, a lot of blessings, and I can't complain. No, I think it's also striking that balance that for everyone, no, which I'm still trying to learn, admittedly, no, this whole balance thing. But ang daming things to be thankful for.
Yeah.
And also for a lot of people that I talked to, it was, ang daming mag-post na thank you 2024. It was
Hashtag grateful.
grateful.
Hashtag blessed.
But also I realized when I talked to people that there are people that did not have a great year.
Oh yeah.
It was 2024 was tough for them.
Parang ang accomplishment daw nila for 2024, pag nakakita ko na ang dami nagawa ng reels, what happened in 2024
Yeah,
and
diba?
all that.
Uso yan.
Pero,
Yung recap.
Yes,
my wife
recap.
even asked me.
Ako wala ako nagawa. Sorry Okay,
yun
wala
na siguro,
ako nagawa.
yun na siguro question number 1.
Wala
Gumawa
akong
ka ba
nagawa.
ng iyong 2024 recap
Sa mga
reel?
nakagawa, congratulations.
Yeah.
Wala akong nagawa kasi may time naman ako, pero tamad ako. Tinamad ako, papi.
That's the question that I was,
And I feel like, okay.
eto na. First caller on the line.
Hello?
May caller na tayo.
Hindi.
Wala.
Pero yun nga, parang feeling ko, ay, okay lang tama rin na
That's okay. That's
okay
okay.
lang may mga panahon na tinatamad tayo. So, in-embrace ko yung mga moments na yon, itong mga last few days ng 2024 na medyo nga ako. After
Yes.
nung mga hostings ko rin noong December, ang pinakahuli ko kasi was December 27. So, after that, medyo
Rest.
talaga ako, rest. So, gusto ko mang gumawa dahil may time, pero pinahinga ko.
I agree. And I mean, there are people who made the recap. There are people who
And
did
it's
not
okay.
make a recap. Kung ano man trip nyo, well and good. I think also, personally, it's good to look and review.
Yeah, of what has happened.
I mean, not just the good stuff, the bad stuff. Also, did you grow? Did you learn anything new? Diba?
That's a good question.
Are you still on the same path?
Maganda yan. Or parang pakiramdam ko, even if wala ka namang natutunan from 2024, the fact na nag-survive
Yes.
ka That's very important. Mas marami akong friends na nakita na hindi nag-post ng recap, pero dun sa mga stories nila, sinasabi nila na, okay, ang daming gumagawa ng 2024 recap, pero ako ang tangi ko lang achievement, nakasurvive ako.
Yeah.
But that's a big achievement.
Of course.
Dahil, I don't know kung
Like I
sa
said,
akin
not
lang or
everybody had a good year.
for me, 2024 was a tough year.
Really?
Mentally, yes.
You had a new baby.
Yeah, and yung hormones ko,
Wild.
wild.
I remember
Neto lang siya nag-stable, ha?
I remember you
Oo.
crying over a few episodes when we were recording na
See?
we didn't show on the podcast
Thank
anymore.
you, Sam. Thank you, Sam.
Kinot natin yun. But
Pero gago talaga to, walang ganun.
Ay, wala.
walang ganun.
Jasper,
Pero
si Zik
seriously,
din, di ba? Si Zik na emotional din sa isang
yun
episode
ang
natin.
totoong umiyak.
Oo, umiyak din yan.
Ayusin mo, sinong Zik na naman yan? Baka may mapagkamalan.
eto
But
na,
how was your 2024? Sa akin nga, mentally tough sa'yo.
Alam mo what I realized that maybe, that's why I mentioned earlier na baka nga kailangan mo po at mag-reflect. Sometimes you get so caught up in doing so many things na wala kang time mag-reflect. So, was it a good year? Was it a bad year? I'd say I'd take both sides.
Good
No?
and bad.
You realize, you look at what went well, what was good, and also look at what did not work out in your favor. 'Di ba? Bakit hindi nag-work out, why it was bad, or the things you had to let go of. 'Di ba? Did these things and ba't mo siya let go? Even, I'm not just saying things, I'm talking about people as well. Every year, I believe that your circle of friends either grows, gets smaller. It really depends. Like, we mentioned this before. When you got into cycling, I'm sure your community grew. Meron kang bagong friends. But at the same time, there are people na... And that's okay, That's okay. I guess it's an energy thing.
Yeah.
And it's the connections you make. I'm so happy now. I made some new friends that... Friends ko na dati, pero the connection now is deeper. So, yun yung mga nire-reflect ko. And people will always ask pa rin na parang, oh, nagre-regret ka ba that you left boys night out? That's,
Up
I
to
think,
now.
still one of the biggest questions people always ask me when they see
kasi
me.
doon ka nakilala eh.
And yun nga eh, what I always tell them is, it's been so busy for me na parang hindi ko pa
Hindi mo na
naman...
naiisip.
Hindi ko na naiisip. But also, what I miss siguro is hanging out with the boys.
Oh.
Diba?
Pero nakita ko na nagbabonding pa rin kayo.
Pero once in a while.
Diba?
Not like before na
Yeah,
every day.
yeah. Na everyday halos.
Pero nga, season, reason for everything. And
Yeah.
there are things you really have to let go of because you have to make space for other things in life.
Ganda na sinasabi mo, let go of things dahil may papasok na bago.
And you can't, before you continue, I'm sorry to cut you off there, but you can't keep on accepting new things if punong-puno ka na.
Oo. Dapat talaga meron ka mga kailangan bitiwan. Hindi mo kaya lahatin, tanggapin.
Tingin mo kaya mo, pero
Oo.
minsan napupuno ka na rin.
Yes. Kasi kanina lang we were talking about, sinasabi ko kay Sam, I've realized this year, mas focus ako dun sa, okay, gusto natin gawin lahat.
Of
Gusto
course,
natin
of course.
di ba, gusto natin bumongga yung laman ng bank account natin, gusto natin ng mga ganitong bagay,
You want a
kotse,
good family,
bahay, and all that.
you want, hang out with your friends,
Yes,
all
you want to
these-
travel,
Yeah,
you want to
check.
travel with your loved ones, hindi yan mura.
Kahit minsan nga yung enemies ko, gusto ko ka-travel.
Wow, I love it. Siya lang po yun, ha? Sana all enemy mo. Pero yun nga, I was telling Sam na this year, parang I wanna focus dun sa bagay na feeling ko mas nagbibigay ng income sa akin. Which is, for me, sa ano ko is, yung radyo pa rin. That's my number one.
Your
Yung pa rin ang ano ko, bread and butter ko. On this side, may mga racket tayo for hostings
of course.
and for social media. Gusto mo tanggapin lahat, pero nakaka-drain. Na naaapektuhan na yung mental capacity mo. Nagsha-shutdown. Kaya mo physically, pero mentally, alam mo sa sarili mo, hirap ka. I don't know kung nangyari na sa inyo yan. Na parang, hindi, kaya ko yan. Hindi, kaya ko pa yan. Kaya ko
And
pa
the project,
isingit
and the
yan.
inquiry, diba? This is gonna...
And na-excite kayo pag may mga bagong i-offer sa'yo,
of
right?
course, yeah.
But then I realized na okay, tatanggapin ko to, may mas bongga yung papasok na income sa akin. Pero sa dulo, alam mo,
Daspag ka.
nalulungkot ako. Nalulungkot ako in the sense na ang dami mong, may pera ka, hindi madami, may pera ka, may papasok na pera sa'yo, mas malaking pera, pero sa dulo, malulungkot kasi ma-realize mo, gusto ko ba talaga yung ginawa ko? O ginawa ko lang siya dahil gusto ko lang bilhin to para i-show off sa mga tao?
I read a book about that. No, that may statement lang doon with everything in life, whether it's a new gadget, a new car, a new house, a new watch, a new bag, whatever that your material goal is.
Yeah,
No?
material goal.
The best way to get over that material goal is to buy it. The best way to get over that
Yeah.
bag is to buy it.
Yeah.
Alam mo yung bag mo na yan, Chanel, Hermes, trust me, after like 2 months, 3 months of using it,
Wala ka nang pake.
diba? No, ayaw mo ma-scratch.
Yeah.
Bibili ka ng mga, I remember my
Your
new
wife.
wife. Yeah.
New wife?
Siya pa, isa pa rin naman. My
No,
wife is
you're-
new every day.
No, wife?
My relationship.
Ayos ka.
Wow.
Hello,
wow,
sa'yo
wow,
nang
wow.
gagaling.
Because she is new to me every day.
Gusto mo na naman matulog sa loob ng
It's a new
kotse
day.
mo.
It's a new day
Oh.
every day. And I'm so happy that I see
Wife
her.
lang. Wag
My
mo
wife.
New Year lang ngayon. O,
Okay.
tuloy.
I'm newly married for 2 years.
Okay.
New pa rin sa akin yun kasi I keep my relationship fresh.
Good.
Okay. I remember Esa when she bought her first bag or whatever. Ano pa yan? She bought yung mga plastic pang-protect ng hardware.
Oo. Yes.
Yung parang cover. Diba?
Tapos, ilang months bago niya tinanggal. Bago niya binarubal yung bag.
Hindi ko rin alam. Pero, whatever material thing it is, like you said, diba, we all have our goals. So, gusto natin bagong kotse this year. Once you buy it, parang, excited ka, ganyan. But, the excitement also dies away. And it's a
Wala.
human thing, yung thrill of the chase.
Yes.
Whether it's, diba, minsan nga sa relationship, it happens also.
Pag may bago, mas exciting.
Kasi ang habol
Tapos
mo niyan.
ma-realize mo sa dulo, ay, gusto ko pa rin pala doon sa luma. May mga ganyan.
Or yung landian. Kaya yung landian,
Oo.
exciting eh.
Oo.
Kasi yun yung, ano ka pa eh.
Kaya pala
You don't-
sobrang landi mo.
Hindi na.
Oo. Ay,
Hindi
sorry,
na.
sorry,
Hindi pala.
sorry.
Hindi.
Sorry.
Paki-edit yun.
Nadulas ako. Oo.
Hindi. Kaya yung landian masaya because you don't know what's next.
Yeah.
And that's either exciting or scary. And that's what we love as human beings.
Mm-hmm,
The excitement or the scare. Because you don't know what's gonna happen next. Magugustuhan ka ba nito? Magre-reply ba to? 'Di ba? O hindi. Yun yung, I think, one of the things as human beings that is very true.
Kasi sometimes, so yung pinag-uusapan natin, material goals.
Oh.
When you buy that stuff, ano man yan,
Oh.
bag man yan, shoes man yan, phone man yan, kotse man yan, bagong bahay man yan, binibili ba talaga natin siya dahil gusto natin siya? Or dahil pressured lang tayo with social media, with the people around us na may bahay na, may kotse, may bagong phone.
Or your kapitbahay. Remember the times, mga batang 90s dyan, remember na nauso yung mga mini component sound systems.
Meron pa kami nun sa bahay, grabe.
Diba?
Old school.
Okay, nauso yung Ford Expedition. I think that was about 1997.
talaga?
Diba, lahat ng big time, naka-Ford. Yung bilog pa.
May ganon?
Yung bilog pa na Ford Expedition.
Kami nagkaroon, di talaga kami big time.
Eddie Bauer.
Diyos ko, Nissan lang ang meron kami. Nissan!
Whatever.
Nissan na ginagawang taxi noon.
Diba? The Eddie Bauer Ford Expedition.
Talaga may ganong era.
Oo.
90s.
I'm sure naabutan ba sa lahat naka-expedition?
Hindi talaga.
Expedition.
So pag may expedition ka nung time na yan, big
Oo.
time ka.
Nakwento lang sa akin nung ni na Philip kasi sila yung medyo matanda. No? So, nakwento lang. But anyway, as you were saying, totoo yan. Diba? You wanna keep up because of social
With the
media.
society. Pero ngayon kasi mas matindi yung pressure because nakikita nga kasi natin kung ano nangyayari sa mga kapitbahay natin. Not just with our friends. I mean with the people that we do not know personally, with the people that, with the influencers that we're following. So sometimes, yung buhay na nakikita natin sa kanila,
Yun yung aspiration.
gusto natin ganun. Which
Oo.
is nothing wrong with
Of course,
that.
of course.
The problem lang is trying to aspire that life. Kapag tinanong mo naman yung sarili mo, gusto ko ba talaga yung ganung buhay? Or ginugusto ko lang yun kasi yun yung nakikita natin na buhay ng lahat.
I think it goes to our neck or to the one of the main topics that we're planning to discuss today is yung success, no? Kailan mo kino-cross over na yung success, especially when it comes to social media, diba? Now that we see, kasi I remember before, when I was a kid, ang influencer ko, mga kaklase ko eh. Anong bagong notebook
yan,
nila?
Best friend mo.
Parker pen.
Tropa mo ang mga influencer sa buhay mo.
Boom. Diba?
Kaya ako nagkaroon ng elephant.
Mismo.
Tsaka yung mga Skechers na sapatos.
Boboli, elephants.
Pati yung durag. Nagdurag ka for sure, papi.
Polo sport cap.
Yes. Dickies?
Di ba ano ba yung mga brands dati na Polo Sport Cap? Ito yung ultimate parang pakonyo package eh. Polo Sport Cap, tapos Polo Sport Perfume or Tommy Hilfiger Carpenter Jeans.
Teka, sobrang ano naman ito, sobrang high-end naman ng mga sinasabi mong brand. Sa amin kasi Dickies yung uso.
Dickies?
Nagkaroon ka ba ng Dickies na elephant?
Oh my God, hindi. Alam ko, bumili ako sa Green Hills ng Elephants. Kalimutan ko yung brand eh. Basta parang mga 600 pesos siya.
Oh, yeah.
Tapos yung may white na line dito.
Basta
I forgot the
yun yung
brand.
era na kung ano yung makikita natin sa classmates natin.
Yung
and
sila
friends
influencers natin.
You want it, right?
Especially there are laking aircon or mga mayayaman classmates.
Or do you remember during the time na napapanood dati si Jolina Magdangal na merong butterfly clip sa buhok? Na minsan kahit di naman talaga bagay sa'yo, magpa-butterfly clip ka dahil, uy, napanood ko.
Correct.
Itong gamit ni Jolene.
And she was one of the main influencers
Oh,
before.
yes.
I think now kasi, like you mentioned, the window has opened up to everyone. So either you're being influenced by a Hollywood celebrity, a local celebrity. But going back to the question, when does posting something na success, whether you got a new car, you got a new house, when do you post it?
And when do you not post it?
No, and also, when do you not post it? And when do you cross the line na I'm sharing with you my success or I'm being mayabang? I think that's the main question.
You answer that first.
Sa akin kasi,
Dami niyan sa social media.
marami. Of course, certain celebrity gets a new...
And sometimes, meron talaga tayong nakikita na, oh, this is very inspiring. Tapos meron din naman na,
Ang yabang naman ito.
May ganun tayo, right?
Diba? And there was that era also na everybody was posting an expensive watch na saka yung Manibela. You remember that time?
Early 2000 yan.
Na parang, okay, ito yung matching car, matching, watch, Benz with a whatever, Rolex or whatnot. And yun nga parang when you see a post like that, what is it, the person na magsasabi kung sino nag-post na ito, yabang nito. O, eto, gusto ko maging ganito. For me kasi, it's always on you eh. It's not the person who posts.
Yeah.
It's how you receive it.
Oo, kung paano mo tanggapin yung mga nakikita mo online.
Because for me, lahat naman ng blessings natin, all the success, of course, it's with the help of God, with other people. No man is an island, I believe.
Pastor.
Even in
Nagbago
let's
na
say,
to, be.
even with
Siya ang una nagbanggit. Nagulat ako. Oo.
even with Let's Yung Pag-ibig to, hindi ko masasabi the success of the podcast is kami lang ni Chacha.
Yes.
Hindi lang ako, hindi lang si Chacha. There is a team working behind.
Yes.
Diba?
Na hindi nyo nakikita, hindi nyo naririnig. Pero kung di dahil sa kanila, mga kasama natin dito, wala to.
Correct. And maybe when you post something, people will think, siya lang yan. Kasi ikaw yung
Sila lang
nag-post.
dalawa yan.
Diba? But no. That's how I take it. Success, it's okay to post it, of course.
So, it's the receiver that has a problem. Yun ba yung sinasabi
Not a
mo?
problem. It's how you receive the message.
Oo.
Are you receiving it as something inspirational?
Or naiinggit ka sa pag-receive?
Nainggit ka sa pag-receive?
Or talagang nonchalant ka lang, ayaw mo lang nakakakita ng mga sobra pala-post sa social media?
Correct.
Hi, I'm Red Oliero.
Hi, I'm Andrew Bernardo.
And we are the Bago Matulog with Red Oliero podcast.
Members.
Yes, we are promoting our podcast and sana makinig kayo sa podcast namin. Yun lang. Thank
Please.
you. Yay. Please, we need money.
But I also realized that there are people na kailangan talagang i-post kasi yun na parang self-worth nila.
May ganun din.
Diba?
Oo.
Pero nakakapagod mag-analyze ng mga tao. Parang, ba't niya kaya pinost to? Hindi, taminin mo.
Naalala mo yung...
Oy,
wait lang, naalala mo yung pinag-uusapan natin last year yung tungkol doon sa grocery na pati yung mantika kasama sa post.
Di ba nagkaroon nga, sorry to mention, pero di ba nagkaroon nga ng era na parang ang pinopost yung bill mo sa Wolfgang?
Oo.
Di ba parang
napag-usapan din natin.
300,000 kinain namin. Apat
Sana
lang kami.
all. Hanggang ngayon. Nakapag-Wolfgang ka na? Ako hindi pa.
Hindi pa. Oh, Wolfgang,
Hindi pa
if you guys are listening, we'd
Wolfgang,
love
padala
to.
naman kayo dito ng matikmang mo. Pucha
na,
naman.
umabot ng 300,000 bill namin, di ba? No, but yun nga.
Mahal.
Whatever you're eating, whatever you're drinking, ang daming pwedeng iyabang eh.
Ako sa akin, more than the receiver, kung siya man yung may problema, kung tinitignan niya aspirational
Oh.
or yabang lang yung post, hindi natin pwede alis yung fact na malaki talagang factor ang social media sa mental health ng mga tao.
That
And
is
sometimes you say hindi ka naaapektuhan, pero deep inside, apektado ka.
Esa and I always talk about this. Let's say, a mom. There are moms and there are girls na pagkapanganak, boom!
Sige, Sam.
I'm just saying.
Ay, totoo yun. Totoo
Diba?
yung sinasabi
Kami niya, lagi niya,
Di ba, hindi ko alam kung naaalala mo na there was a time nag-record tayo.
Okay.
There was an era nakamute sa akin si Ann Curtis. You know why? Kasi nga,
Because
yun yung
na-stress
bagong
ka.
2020 to, pandemic. Na-stress ako pag nakikita ko siya na pucha. Ang bilis naman magpapayat.
Yun nga, yung
ka.
recovery is parang boom.
Tapos ako, ginawa ko na lahat. Nag-bike na ako, tumakbo na ako, nag-diet ako.
Wala.
Pero 7 months na yung anak ko, yung mga taba ko nandito
Nandun pa rin.
Kailangan ko pa magsuot ng ganito,
loose-loose
ng
fit.
loose-loose.
Diba? Medyo um-upgrade ka sa Uniqlo ng
And-
ano.
Yes.
Pero in fairness, medyo tama naman yung DJ Chacha ngayon. Ha?
Bakit?
The
Ano yun?
bloom, ha? The bloom.
Ay, thank you so much, guys.
My
Thank
God,
you, thank you. Maganda ang bigay ng ilaw natin
Look
dito.
at Chacha now.
No, kasi parang, I don't know, parang, yun nga
Okay.
yung sinasabi ko
Okay,
kanina.
let's talk about that. Nag-mention ko na ng pangalan. Ann Curtis.
I
when-
like her so much.
When do you draw the line na parang, okay,
But,
itong post,
nakamute siya sa akin because natatamaan ako na parang, ba't ang bilis mo pumayat, ako hindi.
yun yung point ko. Yung receiver.
Oh, ako yung may problema
Kasi
noon.
let's say,
Kasi nga,
for somebody like an Ann Curtis, sorry, but bibigyan ng mga, they'll probably give her like Louis Vuitton bags, Chanel, whatever, and
Ganda, no?
she has to post about them.
oo.
So as the receiver, it's up to you. Ano, mayabang ba to? Grabe, no? Pinupost
Hindi ko
niya
siya
yung Chanel.
nakikitang mayabang. Actually, inspirational yung mga post niya.
Oh, diba?
Pero nakakaingit din na talaga minsan. Di ba? Aminin mo, yung nanganak ka, tas parang talagang walang kataba-taba sa katawan. Sino-sino yan? Solen Yusuf, Iya Villania.
No, a lot of them actually do not post. Ito and this is for a fact, a lot of them do not post the struggles.
Exactly.
They'll actually be mute for a while.
Exactly.
Tapos biglang, uy, nagkaanak ka pala.
And hindi nila kasalanan yun. Hindi kasalanan ni Ann Curtis na mute ko siya at mabilis siyang pumayat at nag-workout siya, kaya pumayat siya agad. Kasalanan ko nung time na yon na kumain ako ng kumain after ko manganak. But
And
there are
and
also...
you needed that.
I mean, wait, there are also rin kasi, iba-iba rin kasi tayo, iba-iba yung katawan natin. There are people na kahit di ka mag-workout, payat ka
Yes,
talaga eh.
correct.
And there are people na
Workout
gawin
ka
mo
ng
na
workout.
lahat, mahirap for you. Parang siguro nandito na ako. Kaya ngayon, wala na akong mga minumute. Lahat tinitignan ko. Yung tinatanong mo kanina na sino ba dapat? Kailan yung mayabang na to?
Oo, when
kailan
they cross the line, Ito,
Kailan yung aspirational, okay lang yan i-post. Siguro, dahil tumatanda na tayo parang na-realize ko, let people post what they wanna post. Doon
I am-
ako sa era na yan. Let them do what they wanna do. It's their effing social media account, whatever it is that they wanna post, let them do their thing. Tapos tayo, gawin din natin kung ano yung feeling natin makakapagpasaya sa atin. Sabi mo nga kanina, may mga tao na yun ang self-gratification nila. Yung self-worth nila, mas bumubongga when they post stuff.
because of course you're gonna get the comments, diba? Let's say you have
Maraming likes, maraming comments. Oy, ganda naman.
Ganda
oh,
naman yan.
congratulations.
Oy, wow, alam mo, dream
And
ano ko yan.
Huwag tayong ipokrita. Tao lang tayo. Pag may mga comment tayo nababasa na ganun, nakakatuwa naman talaga sa pakiramdam. So
Of
parang
course.
sa akin,
It kind of validates na parang shit.
nakakamatay ba makakita ng mga ganong klaseng post? Kung dati naiirita ako, nayayabangan ako, siguro hayaan na natin sila. Diyos ko naman, kung di naman, di ba kung hindi naman na tayo mamamatay looking at their post na whether nagyayabang man or hindi, social media account nila yun, hayaan natin silang gawin. Hayaan natin silang i-post kung ano yung gusto nila.
To add to that, I don't think people realize sometimes the behind the scenes.
The struggles.
The struggles. Because
Oo.
it's hard to post the struggles. So some people do. But a lot of people
But
don't.
most people do not post about their struggles.
Let's say, yun
Kasi
nga.
nga mas gusto natin nakikita is maganda.
Correct.
That's why I appreciate pag kami mga tao who really show
Post as you are, as they are.
Na ito yun eh. Ito yung hirap.
Let's say, yun nga, new gadget or new cell phone, new house, new car. Easy to post, but sige, some people will probably find it mayabang on the other side of the fence. Yabang naman ito, pinost. Sige na, di ikaw na may bagong kotse. But also, the struggles that person had to go through.
Bago niya ma-achieve yun.
For all you know, that
Or
guy,
yun nga,
that person has been working for the past 7-8 years
Yes.
para lang magkaroon ng bagong BMW or Mercedes-Benz. And after 8 years, finally, pucha, eto na, meron na akong BM. And ang intention niya to post that is not to make yabang, but just to, it's not really to make yabang, but for on his end, parang, shit, proud ako dito. It's like hanging your diploma
Yeah.
in your living room. Your parents would hang, yung anak ko, ito, di ba? But this is back in the day, no? Nung panahon mo, Chacha. Popost nila yung
Uy, hanggang ngayon, nandun pa rin sa bahay
Diba?
namin.
Diba? Oh,
Diploma
anak ko.
picture ko.
Meron
Pati yung
nga-
mga certificate of award.
Meron nga mga
Diba?
provinces in the Philippines na I'm sure pag nag-road trip ka, nagda-drive ka, congratulations, ganyan-ganyan.
Sa labas ng bahay.
Oo,
Alam mo,
yun.
sobrang
Anong province
laking
yun?
achievement para sa
Oo,
mga,
yun.
di ba, nasa tapat ng bahay nila.
Yes.
Ay, sa subdivision nga namin. Doon, hindi sa bahay, sa tapat ng, sa entrance, sa subdivision. And there's, for me, hello, ikaw yun ang big achievement ng mga magulang.
Correct.
Ipatar, palagyan ng tarp yung mga anak nila nakagraduate na whether nagyayabang sila or hindi, as long as hindi sila nakakakos ng harm sa ibang tao, pwede bang hayaan na lang natin sila? Yun lang yun sa akin. I mean, life is so complicated.
Already.
Ngayong 2025, kung kaya natin,
And it's getting complicated there, ha?
yes, kung kaya natin napalipasin, or, is that the right term, palipasin?
Akala ko complicated there.
Hindi!
Ah,
Hindi.
sorry.
Kumbaga 2025 na, sabi mo
Teka,
nga,
it's not palipasin eh.
what's the
I think-
perfect term for that?
I think it's
Pabayaan?
how you receive it. 'Di ba? Kung you're gonna
Hindi, kasi ganito yan. Kunwari, nag-post ka. Whether alam mo whether we admit it or not, sa totoo lang, pag nakakita naman talaga tayo na nagpo-post ng bagong kotse, bagong bahay,
Or bagong bike.
sa utak
Oh.
agad natin, feeling ko mas madalas sasabihin ng iba, yabang naman nito.
'di ba?
Deep inside you, yun ang una mo sasabihin. Okay, pagkatas mo sabihin yon, sarilinin mo na lang, pero hayaan mo na siyang i-post yun.
'Di ba? And I like what you said. that
Parang,
if it,
naapektuhan ka ba nung nag-post siya nun?
um,
But then again, wala din namang masama sa mga tao na parang dapat hindi na pinopost yun. Because there are really people who are private and who do not post a lot of stuff na meron sila, na tinatawag natin yan nga daw po talaga ang totoong mga mayayaman. Yung mga secretive. Yung mga very private.
I hosted 2 weddings
Ayan
in the past 8 days. Na ano ba ginagawa pag wedding? Picture, 'di ba?
Oo.
Post it.
Silang lahat. Sila. Anong ginagawa?
Eto, literally the day of the wedding, the morning, texted everyone, please no photos about our wedding.
Ang saya.
And
we just
eto,
go
this is
back
not
dun
even
sa
it's not even a material
Ito, mga
object.
yayamanin
This is
yan. Yan yung mga sobrang-
this is an event, no? And they don't want pictures coming out. You can take photos but no posting. Sorry, just to be clear. You can take photos but please do not post. We want to maintain our privacy.
Oh, may mga ganong tao. And let's respect each other's
Of course. Yeah. And-
opinion at paniniwala, belief na
Oo.
dapat ito, hindi yan pinopost, or hindi, okay lang to i-post kasi achievement ko naman to, hindi naman to galing sa yaman. Kasi nga iba-iba tayo ng paniniwala eh. Lagi na lang tayong bumalik doon as long as hindi naman naka-harm ikaw or ibang tao, then let them do their thing.
Okay. I think let's wrap this up by yun nga, I'm sure 2025 is going to be another year of seeing posts
Of bragging, char.
bragging, instayabang, or
Or hashtag blessed grateful.
I'm not this is not hashtag not to brag but to inspire. Nakikita ko sa mga post mo yan, hashtag mo
Thank
yan,
you, thank you.
bagong bike, 1 million
Uy,
Chacha.
4 years ago na yun.
Not to brag but to inspire.
Oo.
Sabi ko,
Abangan nyo, mamaya.
Alam mo, kinoment ko, man.
Popost ko yung kotse ni Sam kahit hindi sa akin
Ulol
yun,
mo.
popost ko yung
Ulol
kotse
mo,
nitong
yabang mo.
hayop na to.
Not to brag na to. Lulol.
Oo.
Ay,
Gini-M niya ako. Pag post ko nun, yun talaga PM niya. Gago.
Hindi, eto na lang.
Charot.
Eto na lang. I guess let's wrap this up by, like I said, ang dami na makikitang posts. Some posts will get to your nerves. Some posts will, make you laugh. Some posts will make you smile. Diba? Let's tackle it from the angle of the poster. If you're the one posting, and if you're the one
posting
on the
or
receiving end.
receiving.
Okay, I'll go. As the person posting.
For someone posting, whatever it is online, before you post, you ask yourself, why am I posting this?
Ganda! In
Thank you,
fairness,
thank you. Okay, uwi na ako.
Pwede na.
Naka-English na ako, puta.
Pinag-isipan na.
Okay na ako.
Oh my God.
May kopya ako.
Your brains are
Thank you.
alive
Mom
today.
brain pa yan Wow, yabang. Nakita ko kasi yung susi ng Lexus mo.
Ay,
Sabi ko pag nag-English ako, baka pa test drive sa akin. But
Ay, ay.
seriously, sa mga nagpo-post, tanungin nyo talaga yung sarili
Why?
nyo.
That's
I
good
mean,
question.
why are you posting that?
Anong gusto natin ma-achieve?
Anong gusto mo ma-achieve? Anong reason why you're posting it? Whatever it is that your reason kung bakit mo pinopost yan, tatanggapin ko naman yan. Kung ako yung makaka-receive. But there are receiver na pag nakita nila yan, huy, topic ka sa GC nila. Tingnan mo to, putang yabang.
Mismo yan.
So,
Mismo
dapat
yan.
ready ka rin
Exactly.
mapag-usapan sa group chat ng ibang mga
Amen.
tao. Right?
Huwag ka na magulat kung
if
may
you post
haters ka dyan.
a lot about, sometimes nga you don't post, pero ang dami mo pa rin haters
Meron talaga. Haters will always be there.
But, you know, ayun nga, in the end, alam mo ko siguro mga bata-bata ko sabihin ko, puta, tigilan nyo na yung pagyayabang nyo, huwag na kayo mag-post. Pero kasi sobrang komplikado ng buhay, sobrang stressful ng 2024 for me. Baka kasi meron din mga tao na yung pinagdaanan ko, yung din yung pinagdadaanan. And baka yung kaka-post nila, yung na nagpapagaang ng loob nila. So,
True.
hayaan na natin silang gawin, yung gusto nilang gawin. Para naman sa mga makaka-receive.
On the receiving end, ikaw yung taga-scroll, ayan, taga-lurk. Isa kang lurker, di ba? Uy,
Kung
bago
negative.
nagbakasyon na naman sa ano to,
Yan.
Switzerland.
Putay na,
tong
ito
sila,
na naman
no?
si Sam.
Di ba?
Di ba? Ayan na naman siya. Wala na naman. May
Hindi.
ganun eh. Wala na naman siya dito sa
Wala
bansang
na
to.
naman sa Pilipinas.
Nagliliwaliw na naman.
Nakaano ka, snow, di ba? Marami ka na naman pera. Naka-post mo ng business class na, di ikaw na naka-business class. Ako na nasa economy.
Ako
Shit.
sa akin, lagi, puta, kung pinaghirapan ng tao yan, kung hindi naman ninakaw, hayaan mo siya to brag a little. Yun yung sa akin. Di ba? I mean, hindi
Wala-
naman ninakaw sa kabanong bayan eh. So,
Oo.
kung ikaw yung magre-receive ng post na yon, una, pagtingin mo, kung maiinis ka, keep it to yourself.
Okay.
Ngayon, sa susunod, tignan mo ulit yung post niya, try mong wag mainis para sa susunod na makikita mo siya, hindi na laging yun yung pakiramdam mo.
That's true also.
Oh, baka kasi ma-immune ka na. There are just really people who wanted to share what's happening to them, who wanted to share kung ano yung
probably,
meron sila ngayon.
Like I
Kasi
said, they probably saved up for 5 years para maka-business class seat sila.
hindi
papuntang-
natin alam kung ano yung struggle na pinagdaanan nila. So, again, as long as they're not doing any harm to you, let them do their thing. Let them be what they want to be. Yun lang.
I totally agree with that. I remember this flight, no? Me and Chacha were on going to Boracay. Siya naka-business class, ako naka-economy. Pagkapasok namin nung
Gago,
ano,
ako ba yung kasama mo dyan?
nung cabin, sabi talaga, Mrs. Guevara, this way po. Tapos sabi ko, ito yung ticket ko. Ikaw, 25B, doon ka lang sa likod. Kilala siya. Mrs. Guevara, ako sa economy, 25B, tinuro ko sa likod.
Naniniwala kayo dyan?
Anyway, eto na
Mukha
nga.
ba may pambayad ako sa business class?
As the I like what he said. As a person posting, I guess it's a good question to ask. Why?
Yeah, why?
Bakit? Anong objective ko
Correct. Why?
in posting this? Sometimes it's good to ask a person. I normally ask if there's something I'm iffy about. Na, mapost ko ba dapat?
Your wife.
Yeah, I ask my
Oh,
wife.
you always ask your
Oh.
wife.
Then I'll ask her. Tapos siya magsasabi,
No.
wag na yan. Tanggalin mo na yan. Wag mo na, no need to post that. Of course, I consider myself blessed to have so maybe
To have
it's also
someone like that.
No, maybe it's also good to have
Keeps you
somebody,
grounded.
a friend or whatnot. Doesn't have to be a
Or a family member.
na parang if you're iffy about posting, na parang you feel that okay, is this too much? Is this
Or sometimes a hater na nag-comment. Kasi
How you react.
self-check ka rin dapat eh. Baka kasi yung akala natin hater, pero baka may sense na yung sinasabi. Right?
that's why we started kanina by saying not everybody had a good year, but of course if you want to post your blessings, your year recap, that's fine, But why? Diba? Maybe there were struggles there that you overcame. Kaya ang saya ko, I made it to 2025.
Correct.
Diba? So I like what Chacha said. Ask yourself why before you post. On the receiving end, which is really the bulk of it, 80%, I guess. Diba? Ikaw naman titingin yan. Ikaw na either maging hater ka, liker ka, or lurker. That's it eh. Hater, liker, lurker.
Alam mo, mas okay maging
HLL.
liker and lurker.
Minsan
Huwag natin punuin masyado ng hate.
Oo. Because, okay, nakakita ko, sige nga, may bagong, nakabakasyon na naman sa whatever, France, ganyan, nakalimang balik na, ganyan, January 8 pala,
Ano ba yan?
nakalimang balik ka na sa
Ay,
France.
sana all.
Diba? Di ikaw na, diba? Pero,
Ikaw na.
no, hindi, pero yun nga, ang point ko, ang
Oo, may
point ko.
ganun, di ba? Yung everyday.
Diba?
Tapos nakatag yung location ko nasan sila. Correct,
Di,
oo.
diba? So, as the receiving end of all these posts,
Why?
like si Chacha, sabi nga niya, if it's bothering you that much, i-mute nyo.
Mute.
If it's
Mute is the key.
disturbing your mental health,
Mute.
mute. Because why would you allow negative energy to enter
Amen.
your brain and your body? We're starting the year fresh. Also, it's really up to you to decide yun nga, how this post would affect you. Would it inspire you to, teka, gusto ko rin ng ganyan. Let me work harder for it.
Amen.
Or will it be like, puro naman to yabang, ganyan. How you take in information, we can't control that. But what we can control is how we react to it.
Yan, our emotions.
Our emotions. It bothers
But let
you.
go
you
of the things na di natin kaya i-control.
those are the things that, and also, recapping what Chacha said, I think it's a good year to focus on what you think really matters.
Yes, amen.
Diba? Maybe let go of some things to focus on bigger things. Diba? If you just keep on feeding yourself with all these small things, at one point, parang, nangyari na rin sa akin yan eh. Ang daming small things, pero ang lungkot mo.
Talaga,
Parang-
may small things mang dumadating sa'yo. Alam ko, puro big things lang
Ito
sa'yo.
nga sinasabi ko, ang daming small things, pero malungkot ka.
Yes.
You don't feel
Or
fulfilled.
feeling mo, like, sa atin kasi pag blessings, inisip natin agad, material things and monetary.
Correct.
Hindi natin naiisip na malaking blessing kapag wala kang sakit.
Health.
Diba,
Diba,
health?
I also read this somewhere now. When you're healthy, you have so many problems.
Yes.
No, you have 99 problems.
Yes.
But when you're sick, you only have one problem, and that's going to be your major problem.
Yeah.
So, yeah, blessing of health, blessing of family, blessing of friends.
Amen.
A lot of things to be thankful for. Let's focus our energy on good things.
Yan.
I guess as we start the year, diba?
Yes.
That includes letting go of the bad things so you can focus on the good things.
Oo.
And I guess ang pinaka-importante, no, is makinig ng Lecheng Pag-ibig to.
Yan. Ito,
Ay, guess yun na talaga.
good shit to, guys.
Good
Ay,
shit.
Sorry.
Yun, na-miss ko nga yung 2 joints
Slip of the
na yun.
tongue, slip of the tongue. Sorry po,
Si
sorry.
Sko, di ba?
Sorry.
Miss ko yung
Diyos ko,
good shit
nakakahiya.
to, pare.
Oo.
Pwede ba tagline natin yan? Lecheng Pag-ibig to. Good shit to, pare.
Diyos ko na, puro inspirational ko ano pa mga pinagsasabi natin. Doon din naman pala mauuwi. O sige, mga
But,
good shit. Paano?
A good shit. Happy New Year to all of you. Let's keep it light. Let's keep it bright. Let's keep it blessed. Focus on the good things. Let go of the bad things. My name is Sam YG.
And this is Chacha.
Good shit to, pare.
Bye-bye.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.